Welcome to Sir Budi Clipper Technology, a place where you enjoy smooth and perfect clipper blade sharpening and general clipper services. In Sir Budi Clipper Technology, our vision is to impact young youth with the ability to use the Sir Budi Clipper sharpening machine. Our mission is to deliver top-notch services to barbers worldwide, blending expertise with cutting-edge technology.
You can locate us at number 42 Olafimian Street at Dialu Bus Stop, Dokwemu, Ageje, Lagos State. We're open Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. for all clipper sharpening and repairs.
Interested in grabbing this opportunity? Please call us